Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about magic number in Java. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Before we move into the video, please give a like to this video. So what is a magic number? A number is said to be a magic number if the sum of the digits are calculated till the single digit is obtained by recursive addition of the sum of the digits. It means that here is an example of magic number, that is 199. So if we break 199 into each digit, that is 1 plus 9 plus 9, the sum is 19, which is a two digit number. And then we need to calculate again the sum of the digits, that is 19. We'll be separating it in 1 and 9. We got 10. This is also a two digit number, so again we have to separate and add it. So 1 plus 0, it's 1. So okay, finally the answer is 1. So the magic number defines is that if we calculate the recursive addition of some of the digits of a number, and if finally the answer is a single digit and the number is 1, then that number is said to be a magic number. So here we'll be using nested looping, which is while within while, or we can say it as nested while loop. You can say it as nested while loop. So the main logic is, this part is the main logic, and the two loops, that is the blue one represents the outer loop and the red one represents the inner loop. So the logic goes like this: int rem sum. These are the two variables. Rem is for storing and extracting the digits, and sum is for the addition of the digits. Then we have to initialize sum equal to 0 over here, because for every time if the number is two digit, so we have to initialize the value of sum to 0. Then here we have calculated the sum of the digits, and then we are storing n is equal to sum, and at the end we are checking for the condition, that is if n is double equal to 1 or not. If n is double equal to 1, that is n is having the value as 1, so we will be printing a message to the user that it is a magic number, else it is not a magic number. So let us see the dry run for this program. That is, suppose I have given the input as the same 199. So value of n is 199 and rem is initially 0. So first it checks the condition over here that 199 is greater than 9 or not. So this condition is true over here. Then sum is 0. Now the compiler enters into the inner loop where it checks the condition for sum of the digits, that is n is greater than 0 or not. So 199 is 0 is greater than 0, sorry, it is greater than 0. This condition is true. Then it extracts the last digit, that is 9. Then calculates the sum 0 plus 9, which is 9. The sum is having 9, and then extracts the remaining digit. Here the first iteration of the inner loop is done. Now it goes for n equal to 19 when the value of n is 19. So the same, then the sum will become 18, and then it will, and here the second iteration is done for the inner loop, and again for 1 it will be checking when n is equal to 1, then it will again calculate the sum of the digits, then it is 19. So here the third iteration is done, and when the n is 0, when the value of n is 0, that is 0 greater than 0, the condition is false and it exits the loop. So now when the value of n, which is equal to sum, which is 19, so here the first iteration of outer loop is done. Now we have not got a single digit number, we are having still a two digit number, that is 19. So this same thing is executed again with the value of n as 19. Here we were having the value as 199. Now it will be checking for 19, and then similarly for 1. So now the value of n is 19, and it checks for the condition for 19 greater than 9. That if that condition is true, yes, that condition is true, so it calculates the sum of the digits of 19, that is 1 plus 9. The answer is 10. Because we have not got the single digit, so it again goes and calculates the sum for 10. Then after calculating the sum for 10, now we are having the sum as 1, which is initialized to n. So here it checks the if condition. It means that outer loop has executed 3 times and the value of sum is now 1. Then it checks for the condition which is written after the loop, that is if condition over here. Now the compiler is over here and it is checking that whether n is having 1 or not. Here n is having 1, so it checks the condition 1 is double equal to 1. Yes, this condition is true. So it prints the statement as it is a magic number. Here you can see a sample output, that is enter a number. We are entering 199, then it is a magic number. Let us execute the same program in BlueJ. Okay, this is our BlueJ screen. I have written the code already. I'll be just compiling it. Control plus K, the shortcut key. Class compiled, no syntax errors. Now simply we'll be running the program. 199. It is a magic number. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like to this video and share it with your friends.